Hi all of you. Now we are going to discuss the new concept counting figures. In that counting figures, the first important thing is how to count number of triangles. Okay, that is the first counting figures topic we'll discuss. In number of finding number of triangles, we are having different models. We'll start from basic model and listen carefully. Okay. See model 1. This is the basic model. The question they ask like this: how many triangles are in the given figure? Like this they will give. How many triangles are there? It is very simple. Here one triangle it is up to here, and here second triangle, and whole this big triangle. Total how many triangles we are having? 3. Then because 1 2 3, because it is very simple figure that we can able to count. For example, the same question they may increase like this. Then here total how many triangles we are having. Then here also we'll do counting. Okay, we'll count. Try to 1 this triangle, next 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Next, and because of these two triangles combination, here we'll get one more triangle. Because of these two, 1 and 2 combination, one more triangle. Yes, first one how many we got? 4, plus because of 1 and 2 combination, one more. Next 1 2 3 combination, one more. Okay, next with 2 and 3 combination up to here, 2 and 3 combination, one more triangle, and 2 3 4 combination, one more triangle. Okay, next now 3 and 4 combination, here one triangle we are having. 3 and 4 combination we are having one triangle. Then the whole triangle that we didn't count till now, then the whole triangle 1. Total how many we are having? 7 10. Total 10 triangles. Then it is also we are able to count easily, but in exams they won't give this much easy questions. Okay, see here. Now, is it easy to count all the triangles? Yes, we can try. It may take time, but there is a chance of missing at least one triangle. Then how to do this type of questions? Just if you observe here this line divides the base into two parts, two triangles. Here we are drawing a line from one vertex to opposite side and dividing the triangle into two parts, and give the numbers to the parts like 1 and 2. Okay, and find their sum. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. We already counted 3. Yes, now here value 10 we got. Manual count without logic, without formula. Now observe here, first give the numbering. If the problem is like this, means if the base is divided into some parts like this, some divisions like this, first give the counting 1 2 3 4 and add all these numbers. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Okay, instead of finding each combination, simply give the numbers to the parts and add all the numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, nothing but 10. Then similarly, how to do this here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then what we have to do? We have to add all these numbers. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 21 triangles. Okay, then some more faster way how to do this model. Whenever this model is given, simply take count total number of partitions here. Total how much we are having? 6. Take that 6 into its next number. What is the next number for 6? 7. Divide by 2. Then here 2 3 times 7 3 is a 21. Here 4 is the last division. Total 4 divisions. That means 4 into next number 5 by 2. Then if you divide 2 2 times, here 5 2s are 10. Here 2 is the last number. 2 into 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel 3. It is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What are these? Natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. But no need to remember this formula. Just remember the logic how to find. Just what is the logic? Just count number of partitions on the base. Here total 6 partitions we are having. Okay. Then 6 into next number for 6 is 7. Divide by 2. That's it. Okay. 6 7s are 42, half of that 21. Suppose here you are having 4. Next number is what? 5. 4 5s are 20, half of 20 you have to take 10. Okay, here 6. Next number is what? 7. 6 7s are 42, half of 42 is 21. Like that you can do very faster. This is the first model. And a small modification in the same model. Suppose if they are given like this, how many triangles are there? It is very simple. Here small triangle 1 and this big triangle 2. Any other? No. Yes, 2 triangles total. Number of triangles 2. Suppose for example, then how many triangles here we are having? Total number of triangles up to here 1 2 3. Next, then total how many triangles are possible here? Up to here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is also very simple, na? Just observe the lines horizontal, that means base. For example, if you consider this as the total triangle, how many? Up to this we have one triangle. Now consider this as base, then second triangle. Now here, now I am considering this as the base 1. Next, if you take this as the base, second triangle. If you consider this as the base 3, then simply count these lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore total 7 triangles we are having. Okay. Now the question how they will ask means, they will ask the combination of these two. Okay, directly they won't ask, amma. The question they will ask like this. That means both they combine together. Then how many triangles we are having? Same logic. What is the logic as for first model, first basic? Forget about this line, horizontal line. Just count partitions. How many partitions we are having? This is the base if you consider 1 2 3. Then 3 means 3 into next number 4. 3 into 4 how much? 3 into next number of 3 is 4 by 2. 3 4s are 12 by 2 is 6. Half of 12 is 6. That means now forget about this. Now again it is looks like same or not. Now consider up to this only. Just consider this triangle. For this triangle, this is the base. Then if it is the base means again here also 3 partitions or not. Then if it is 3 partitions, so total number of triangles how many? 6. Then 6 plus 6 how much? 12. That's it. Then Now tell me how many triangles are there. These are the models. There is a chance of coming in exams. Okay, whatever we discussed till now, those are just basics. Basic questions they never ask in competitive exams especially. Just observe here. Here two combinations. Here first forget about the horizontal lines and everything. Okay, only vertical partitions. How many we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 6 into next number. 6 into 7 how much? 42. Half of 42 is 21. Half of 42 is 21. And observe here, here also now with this base over. Now consider this as the base. Then again here also same 6 partitions or not? Yes, again 21 plus 21. Okay, next observe here up to this, then up to here if you consider this as a triangle and this as the base. Here how many partitions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 into next number. 4 5s are 20. Half of 20 is how much? 10. Up to this 10. Next here also we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Now consider this as the base. Okay. Then 4 means combination 10 we are having. Again here now consider this as the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 means again 10. Now here it is having up to this means like this. Then how many triangles are there? 2 partitions means 3. Then total how much we are having? 3 tens 30. Then it is 42 and 3. Total how many we are having? 75 triangles we are having. 75 triangles we are having. Is it clear? This is the first model. Okay, here it includes basic model and combinations together I consider under model 1. Okay, next we'll see next model. For example, see the second model. Here now tell me how many triangles are there here. What is the difference between first one and second one? Here triangles, suppose if you take this is the first one triangle. Okay, next and forget about these lines, forget about these lines. Then what we are having, this big triangle and this only vertical line. Sometime just forget about these lines. Okay, then that means here I am drawing separately for understanding purpose. I am forgetting these lines. Now this is the shape we are having. Then if it is the shape means it is the like first model or not. Total how many we are having? 3. Why? Because 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, that means if you consider this outermost shape, outermost triangle and this vertical line, we are having 3. Now it is another triangle or not? Up to this, that means up to this again we are having same shape, then again we are having 3. And if you consider this one again 3, that small like this. Here also 1, 2, then 3. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much? 3 3s are 9 triangles we are having. How many triangles we are having? 9 triangles we are having. Now observe here one more in this model. Now tell me how many triangles are there. Just observe here in this model, just count how many triangles like this we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Because of each triangle, suppose if you take this triangle here, total how many possibilities? 3. Then because of the second triangle, again 3, third triangle, again 3, fourth triangle, fifth triangle. That means simply because of each combination, 3 triangles, and total combinations we are having 5. Then 3 into 5, how much? 15 triangles we are having. Then what is the logic here? Simply multiply 3 into number of triangles. 3 into number of triangles. Triangles means this one. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, what may be the answer for this? Just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3, 18. That's it. Compulsory in competitive exam, they will frame the questions logically. First, you try to understand the figure, in which model it comes. Then only you can answer it. Don't go blindly. Definitely, logically only they will give. Now, we'll see third model. Now we'll see the third one. See this one. And how many triangles are there here? Just observe. Forget about this line. If you forget about that line, what we are having? This is the first model. Then total 3 here we are having. Now because of this line, then how many triangles we are having? Just observe here. Because of this line means, again, now forget this line. 3, but this, why? Because 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 means here this already we counted in the first. Then only 2 you have to take. This is 1 and 2. Now because of these two, what are the extra triangles we are having? Here one triangle, here one triangle. Am I correct? And here one more triangle. Here it is extra, and it is extra because of these two lines combination. Then how many extra? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So because it is very simple means easily we can count. Okay. As I told, like this they won't give na. Then we'll go for a little bit complicated problem like this. Not much complicated like this. Suppose here I am having like this. Now can we count? Yes, we can count, but it will take time. Then how to do this type of questions? Suppose if you want to count, just will try, but definitely there is a chance of missing. Without missing, try to solve this one. First what we have to do? Forget about these two lines. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 means 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Next. Now forget about this base. Now if you observe again, it is in the shape of a triangle where base is divided into 3 partitions. Again 6. Now forget about this. Again here we are having 6. Then total how many 6 we are having? 3 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Now go for the combinations. Here if you observe, it is one more triangle. 1. Next, it already we counted. Next this one 2. Next this is 3 up to this 3. Okay, 3 extra. Okay. Anything else? Is there any other possibility? Because of these two, here from here to here. It is not counted na 1. Next, and this one up to end, it is also not counted na 2. Next here, because of these two combination, total 3 we got here up to this. Then next here, because of this here we'll get one more, and because of this here one more, then total 2 here. And similarly this triangle up to here 1, up to here 2, then 2 more extra. Anything we missed? Here this also we covered, everything we covered. Then count 3 6 are 18, 6 plus 4 10, 28. Here we counted one triangle extra. Actually here we have 27 triangles only. Okay, we'll count once again. Because of this vertical combination 1 2 3, then like 1 here 6. Why? Because 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. Because of this 6 here 6. Because of this base 6. Because of this base 6. 3 6 are 18. Okay. Next, coming to combinations. Combinations here we are having, suppose we will start from bottom here. From bottom if we start here, this is 1 and up to here 2, up to here 3, then 3. Okay. Next, because of this 1 2 up to here 3, yes, this 3 also correct. Next, then here we are having these 2 together. 2 together we are having one more triangle. Then 3 6 are 18, 21, 24, this is 25, and this is here this triangle. No, this already we counted, amma. Sorry, this only we did the mistake. Why? Because of this base, if you take this already counted, that is the extra we got in the previous one. Then 27, that is the mistake what we did. Okay, that means there is a chance of missing, or we may get extra triangle, or we may get less number. Then how to do this type of problems means, just observe the given figure here. Here if you observe the partitions, here two sides, here base is having two partitions and this side also having same two partitions. In this model, just observe number of partitions. If number of partitions here and here on any two sides are equal, simply take the cube of that number of partitions. How many partitions we are having on one side, or this side, both should be equal. 2, then 2 cube. 2 cube how much? 8. Then similarly here 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3, then the answer is 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. This is the logic for this. Then we'll do one more problem. After understanding logic, easily you can do it, na? 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4 partitions, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then what is the answer? 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. Okay, this is the next model. Okay, next we'll see, suppose here these two means number of partitions on two sides, on any two sides are equal, then only this is the logic. But there is a chance of sometimes the number of partitions on two sides may not be equal. Then how to do in that case? Okay, then we'll see one more problem based on that. Whenever number of partitions are not equal, a small modification for this. For example, that is the next model. Here I am taking this one. 1 2 1 2 3. Here if you observe 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 4, but both are not equal, then we cannot apply the formula like 2 cube or 3 cube like that. Then how to do this type of problem? Then observe here clearly, see here, because of this base 1 2 3, first basic model, total number of triangles 1 2 3 means 6. Now consider this as the base, that means forget about this bottom 6, here also 6, here also 6, up to this clear? Yes. Next, coming to 4 6 24. Next, now observe these combinations here, this triangle. Now imagine like this, okay, imagine this like this. That means here 1 2 3 4, that means 4 means, that means now consider this as the base, on this base 1 2 3 4, 4 partitions, 4 partition means 4 into next number, 4 into 5 20, half of 20 is 10. Okay, next, up to this, okay. Now coming to combination here, if we take this one 1 2 3 4, okay, again now take this as this triangle up to here, okay, then again 1 2 3 4, 4 combinations means 10 again here. Next, here again 1 2 3 4, 10 again here, okay. These are the 6 base. If you take this as base, here we got 6 6 6. Now we are taking this as base, because of these 3 combination we are having total 30. Now from this you have to subtract the intersection points, then count how many intersecting points we are having total, excluding this and this, excluding these two, don't count those two. Then in the remaining intersection points here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Then if you have to subtract the total number of intersecting point except these two vertices. Then how much we got? Here 24 minus 12 is 12. Better make it as plus 12, because 24 minus 12 is plus 12. Then 30 plus 12. 30 plus 12 how much? 42. This is the method you have to do if number of partitions here and here are not equal. Okay. This is the next model. Now okay, this is the fourth model. Now we are having 2 more models only whenever they given triangle shape and how to find number of triangles. 4 models we discussed. 2 more models are there that we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.